Start. The state-wise distribution of funds by the corporation also calls for comment stop. Out of rupees 305 crores sanctioned up to 30 June 1978, Maharashtra, Madras and West Bengal have accounted for 45% of the total, whereas states like Punjab and Haryana have received only 2% and 3% respectively. Stop. Both these states have peculiar problems in terms of long distance from raw material centers, port towns, etc. And in addition, the units located in this region are finding it difficult to raise capital for expansion and development. Stop. Besides, most of the units are engineering units and they are in the high priority list of the government. Stop. There is no reason why these units should not receive adequate assistance from the corporation. Stop. It is therefore suggested that IFC, besides granting assistance according to the priorities laid down by the government, should also keep in view that regional development is an important objective of the 5-year plans as well as the industrial policy resolution of the government. Stop. While according to the corporation's latest report, the corporation selects projects for assistance after detailed financial and technical appraisal of the project has been made by the financial and technical staff of the corporation. It may be suggested that the corporation's technical division may be strengthened in order to enable it to evaluate the soundness of the projects better than it is able to do now. Stop. Parties may be considered eligible for receiving 66 value of their assessed as loans. Stop. It may be mentioned that over the last decade, machinery prices have doubled and the present prices of machinery are very high than the book value as is shown in the accounts of mills. Stop. It is estimated that 66 to 3% of the book value would actually amount to less than 40% of the present market value of the assets, and thus IFC would be fully secured. Stop. It is suggested that the procedure for grant of IFC permission for the sale of assets may be simplified so as to cut down the time taken in completing all the formalities. Stop. It may be noted in this connection that buyers of capital equipment or of land do not wait for indefinite periods of time and expect the transaction to be completed as soon as the bargain is struck. Stop. However, the present system makes it impossible because the buyer's name has to be intimated to the IFC before any permission is granted by them for sale of assessed stock. It is urged that advance permission for the sale of assets may be granted without mentioning buyer's name if necessary. Safeguards may be incorporated in the permission, such as that the assessed will not be sold to any associates of the mill concerned stock.